Auto Expert, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, expert analysis, and everything you need to know about the latest in the automotive world. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Ford F-150, one of the most anticipated trucks of the year. If you're a fan of performance, innovation, and rugged style, this review is for you. The 2026 Ford F-150 builds on its legacy as America's best-selling truck by combining modern technology with proven power. This year's model brings some impressive updates, including a refreshed front-end design with sleeker headlights and a bolder grille. You'll also notice improved aerodynamics and new wheel options that give it a strong road presence whether you're on the highway or hitting the trails. Under the hood, Ford offers multiple engine options to suit different driving needs. You can choose from the powerful 5.0-liter V8, the fuel-efficient 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6, and even a hybrid PowerBoost V6 that gives you solid performance and better fuel economy. The towing capacity continues to impress with up to 13,500 pounds when properly equipped, making it perfect for work or weekend adventures. Inside, the 2025 F-150 is all about comfort and smart features. The cabin feels upscale with high-quality materials, plenty of storage, and a user-friendly layout. Tech lovers will appreciate the upgraded 12-inch touchscreen with a SEO-optimized, offering quicker responses, better graphics, and wireless smartphone integration. You also get a digital instrument cluster, available B&O sound system, and over-the-air updates that keep your truck current without a trip to the dealership. Ford has also enhanced its driver assist features. Standard equipment now includes lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Higher trims can be equipped with Blue Cruise hands-free driving, making long trips more relaxing and safe. There's also a Pro Power onboard system that turns your truck into a mobile generator, ideal for job sites or camping trips. With its durable build, strong performance, advanced technology, and safety upgrades, the 2025 Ford F-150 remains a top pick for truck lovers. Whether you're looking for a reliable workhorse or a comfortable daily driver with power to spare, this truck delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching this AK Auto Expert video. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest, detailed insights on the latest cars and trucks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.